Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about one of the basic strategies of the Princeton Review for SAT plugging in. Sometimes it's too hard to solve some questions using typical math way. For that kind of occasions we use plugging in. Now let's see how it actually works. Let's say we have an expression in a form x squared minus 4x plus 11. Normally, I have to factor in it. But what about if I have no any idea? As you see in the question and answer choices, we have variable and this one is x. For that reason, I have to choose some number for the x. Let's say x equal to the 2. So we plug in 2 for the x. Now let's plug in the expression. So 2 squared will be 4 minus 2 multiply 4 will be 8 plus 11 equal plus 11 equal, let's see what's equal, minus 4 plus 11 will be 7. So 7 here will be our target value. Now let's replace for the x 2 in the answer choices. It's equal, if we replace 2 here, 2 plus 2 will be 4, 4 squared will be 16. Then 16 minus 7 equal to the 9. And doesn't match with our target value, so A is not correct answer. Eliminate A option. Now let's go to the B option. This one equal, if we replace 2 here, 2 plus 2 will be 4, 4 squared will be 16, then 16 plus 7 will be 23. And it also doesn't match with our target value. Eliminate B. Go to the C option. If we plug in 2 here, it will be 0 plus 7, which is equal to the 7. It's matched with our target value. C can be correct answer, but let's check D. It will be 2 minus 2 square will be 0, 0 minus 7 will be minus 7. So minus 7 and this one is 7 and it also doesn't match with our correct answer, target value. So D is also not correct answer. So C will be correct answer. Why we need to check all answers? Because x equal 2 is not exactly value for the x. We plug in it by ourselves. So we need to check all answers in order to be sure. Now let's see steps, what we have done here. Firstly, we need identify the variable and we identified it was x for our occasion. Plug in a number for the variables and we plug in 2 for the x. Work steps for the problem and we worked and we get target value as a 7. Circle that target value and plug into all 4 answers, eliminating any that do not match the target value. And what we have done just before. It was steps of the basic approach for the plugging in. I hope you understand what does it mean plugging in. Thank you for attention. Have a nice day.